what's happening, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. It's your boy Mickey Mac. Today, I got another video for you guys. I'm going to be going over the Leeson Universal Car Mount from Amazon. This is the #1 bestseller in car mounts on Amazon currently. It was on sale about 47% off, originally $30, came out to about $16, so definitely can't beat that. It's the #1 bestseller, high ratings, and today I'm going to be unboxing and taking a look at it. Let's jump right into it, shall we? So here's what the box looks like. Obviously it's like a little cradle for your phone, assuming this is all adjustable. It's got like a little swinging arm so you could adjust it. This does hook up to your vent on your dashboard, and this is obviously universal size. On the bottom it just says car holder, and it says Leeson hopes to create a smart life for those who are willing to jump out. You mean who are willing to jump out of ordinary? We hide ideas into the products which may help consumers feel the little pleasant surprise in daily life. One-hand operation, stable and tight, fixed in the air vent, and easy installation. Leeson always dedicates to bring great shopping experience for every customer. Please feel free to contact us if you have any question. Oh, okay, so not questions, just if you have one question. Got it, no problem. And it comes with a worry-free 1-year warranty. So here is your phone mount. I like this nice pattern that they have going on here. It's really nice. But here are your brackets to actually hold your phone. You got a little opening too on the bottom here in case you want to plug in your charging cable. Taking a look at the back, you have a little bit of a, I guess, attachment for a swivel ball for the mount. This is like to loosen it, this is to tighten it, I guess if you were dismounting them and changing the mounts. And you have this button up here that does this. So now I see what they were saying with the one-hand operation. Just close that up. So open it up. Whatever size phone you have in here, you put it in and then close it up. Now your phone is all mounted in snugly and tight. The only other thing in the box are the diagram and the installation guide, as well as the 2 mounts. Now these both have metal hooks. I'm assuming to include the longevity or lifespan of these mounts, which is a good thing. Basically the hook extends out when you turn all the way to the left. Once you get it hooked around your air vent, you then just turn to the right and it tightens down. So that's pretty cool. And then you got the extended arm attachment right here. This knob up here, you unscrew this to basically swing the arm. Whether you want this part to be on the top or you want it to be on the bottom, you just loosen it, turn it around. This thing kind of reminds me of the old school roll-up window handles. Remember those back in the day? Yeah, cars without power windows. Kids nowadays have never even heard of such a thing. But what's cool is there's a button on the bottom right here, and you press and hold it, and now you could just move this over. And now you could just swivel it back and forth to your desired placement. The beauty with this mount compared to this mount, this is basically so you're not blocking a vent and you're not getting excessive heat coming to the back of your phone mount, thus heating up your phone. But I gotta say, I happen to like that they actually give you 2 different mounting options to mount your universal phone holder. I just love the design of this thing. I'm going to be going with this mount just because when I do mount my phone, I'm not going to have it directly in front of the vents as the heat is coming into the car. I do like it that they find a way to mount your phone very firm and basically out of the way of the heat. So listen, you know what? This is a great bang for your buck. I'm happy I bought this, and I can't wait to install it. But yeah, guys, that's all I got for you today in this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Rumble at The Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This is your boy Mickey Mac. As always, I'll see you next time.